Hey.
Hi.
So, we made it to Hobbiton.
Yeah, so we're at the Shire's Rest right now, so we're going to go have some lunch and just sort our tickets out, and then the buses go from here to take you on a tour.
Yeah, so come along. I mean, that's a heck of an entrance, but... You taking a picture of that?
Yeah, and then I need to put them away so we don't lose them.
Yes.
So we're at the Shire's Rest Cafe, just having some coffee, cake and some sandwiches when they come, just before our tour. We got here a bit early, but oh my god, it is a gorgeous day, and the drive here was
It was lovely.
just rolling hills. We've just been driving past...
So
yeah, we're gonna get our bus there soon. Yeah, this has been lovely mountain ranges as we've been driving to get the photos and stuff. So,
yeah. We got lunch.
Yes.
Ham and cheese toasty, can't go wrong. With a nice coffee.
Yeah. Wasn't that expensive.
And a ginger slice. No, it really wasn't actually. Is that our map?
Yes.
Yeah?
What about a selfie? Yeah, selfie.
That's fun.
Here in the car park. Many different makes and models here, shapes and different sizes. Unfortunately, none of these were featured in the film, so they're not that important.
Hello, I just wanted to welcome you on your journey to Hobbiton.
On the man-made lake, and tucked away in the corner, is the world-famous Green Dragon Inn. Now, because I'm so nice, by the time we get down there later on in the tour, I'll even give you your first round of drinks on me, just because I'm very generous. Now guys, just we're coming over this hill, start the next video, I'll give some commentary, hopefully they will link up. But if anyone came here for some great photo opportunities, I can guarantee there is one coming up on the right hand side of the bus, just as we're coming over the hill. People want to get their cameras out, flashes on, timers on, make sure we take off the lens cap because that will affect the photo. Because in 3, 2, 1, we arrive at another car park, yeah! Blown away, aren't we all?
you go. There you are. Hobbiton.
It's so impressive.
It's so cool.
It's
Immediate.
so nice that they kept it like
Probably the most iconic hobbit hole here in Hobbiton and in Tolkien's world in general. And as you saw just down below in the other hobbit hole where we're taking photos in, there's not much to the interior. And right in front of that gate stood Ian McKellen, face to face with Martin Freeman. They could work off each other, giving each other a more honest reaction.
What do you think to Hobbiton?
it's amazing.
Yeah.
And it's so big. Like it just keeps going. Now we're in a forest.
A tip.
To the Green Dragon's retreat.
Yeah. If you ever come here, try and either go behind everyone or in front of everyone.
Yeah.
Because it's just a bit nicer. So yeah. It's ridiculous. But yeah, and our guide's a really nice dude.
Making it really fun as well.
Yeah, actually engaging. Some of the other guests, questionable. What you got?
Scout.
Yeah, cheers. I mean, I'm gonna be that guy, but I'm gonna sit in front of the fire. I kind of feel like I'm back at home. I've got a stout. I've got Alex behind me, and I've got a fire and a wingback.
It's not a day we need to sit by the fire.
It's It's nice. Green dragon. Drink. Hey, excuse the bad hair. It's very windy and I've been wearing a hat. So we are currently at the Green Dragon at Hobbiton, drinking our brews.
Yeah, final bit of the Hobbiton tour.
It's really nice, it's a really good tour.
Really good.
But the reason I wanted to just speak to camera was basically what we're going to do. We're going to make a video based all around Lord of the Rings and kind of different places. It's going to be a long video.
Yeah, different spots and scenery around New Zealand where things were shot, if we can find them.
Yeah, so we've got a list that we're going to go through. You probably won't see it for a while.
No.
From when this video comes out. But yeah, we're going to try and get everything in a nice big old package for you so you can kind of see it all and see where everything is. So yeah, exciting. Yeah, come to Hobbiton.
Really good.
If you can, come on a gloriously sunny day.
Yeah, pick your day right, because it's outside.
Yeah, again, cheers. Hey!
Hi.
What are we doing?
Cooking dinner in the sun at Brock's place.
Yeah.
Nice view. And
Lovely
some
view.
sunshine.
Nice to have a bit of sunshine. We've parked up here, which is just outside the sunshine. But I've got the solar panel, which is our new toy. And in the sunshine, I'm pulling in 67 watts. Oh, where are we? Input 67, output 17. So by having it here in that beautiful sunshine, we're actually making money. But yeah, we did Hobbiton earlier, which was great. And now we're just gonna have a nice chilled evening, cooking whilst we have a bit of natural light, and then just gonna chill out.
Figure out what we're gonna do for the next week.
Yeah. Yeah, very nice. Looking forward to this.